a ball of mass 0.5 kgs is dropped from a height of 40 meters. So you have a ball. So this ball is dropped from an initial height of 40 meters. So this mass is 0.5 kgs. You can write it as half kg also. Now, next is it after collision, it moves upward. So, initially the velocity v1 is downward, but after collision, it would be an inelastic collision. So, it would move with a velocity v2 because it is not rising to the same height of 40 meters. It will rise to a height of 10 meters. So now we have to calculate the impulse imparted. So that is what is the question. So the question is impulse imparted. So how do you write that impulse imparted? Impulse will be nothing but equal to change in momentum. So that is final momentum minus initial momentum. So that is mass into final velocity. But velocity, when for a freely falling body, when it reaches ground, or for a body projected up, will depend on V, which is equal to under root 2gh. So here it would be 2g v2 minus root 2g v1. This is what is the formula. So the change in momentum or the impulse, whatever we take, is mass, that is half, into root 2 into 9.8 into v2. v2 is 40 minus root 2 into 9.8 into 10. So let us solve it. See, 2 into 9.8 is 19.6. 2 into 9.8 is 19.6 into 40, let us suppose. This 0 will be removing the decimal. 196 root is how much? It is 14. So we have 14, but here velocity is plus because the velocity is in opposite direction, because one is downward, other is upward. So 14, next plus we have into 2. So that means what we can write, 196 is 14. Next we have 2, that is here root 4, plus now we have 2 into this 0. If I take it is 19.6, so that would be 14. So if I take 14 outside, 14 by 2 into 2 plus 1, so this is 7 into 3, 21 Newton second. That is the answer. So it's a very simple direct concept from CBSE based question. Okay, so thank you.